John Giffin here with State Roofing Company in Houston, Texas. I'm here to talk about hail impact resistant shingles for a moment. A lot of insurance companies are giving homeowners, no other way to say it, but hail about roof coverage. And they're asking that homeowners look at installing a more fortified roof system. There are some things that you can do to your roof system to make it more fortified, such as installing a ice and water shield product over the whole deck system instead of just using underlayment. But another thing to think about is the quality of shingle that you purchase and that it has a hail impact rating. Most insurance companies and the state government is pushing for impact resistant shingles, and you can get a premium discount by putting these on. Your asphalt type shingles would be mostly in a class 3 or a class 4 impact resistance to hail. Class 3 is rated up to 1 3/4 inch hail. Class 4 is rated to up to 2 inch hail. In doing this, your insurance companies believe that by putting these products on, that when you do have this smaller hailstorms, you won't be reacting on filing claims and that they're paying for unnecessarily replacing a roof unless it's dramatically damaged from a hailstorm. I'm in agreement with most of them. But then we're going to get into the scenario, is it damaged or is it not damaged? That's beyond my scope and beyond most roofing contractors' scope. But that's something that we'll deal with in the future. But I think that everyone should look at least putting on a class 3 impact resistant shingle or a class 4. The class 4 is going to be a more expensive product. Class 3 now is mostly on some of your superior manufacturers are offering this on mostly all of their products. But the class 4 is a special asphalt that is used in the manufacturing process of the shingle. So you might want to talk to your insurance carrier, your agent if you have one. If you buy it online, you might have a little more difficulty in finding out what the specifics are. But I recommend checking into that. If you got any questions that I might be able to answer, you're more than welcome to call me here at State Roofing Company in Houston, Texas. That's it for today. Y'all have a good one.